In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Wix website link in just 5 minutes. Whether you have just launched your website or you want to share it with friends, family, or potential clients, this guide will make the process smooth and simple. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. Open up your web browser and log into your Wix account. You should see a dashboard that lists all the sites you manage. Select the site you intend to share, which will take you right into the Wix website editor. If it's your first time here, don't worry. Wix is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Now that you're in the editor, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Publish. Think of this button as a green light for your website. It signifies that everything is ready to be visible to the world. Click on Publish. This step is crucial because it ensures any recent changes and updates you've made to your site are live. It's like inviting people to your store and making sure the doors are actually open. Once you click on Publish, Wix will immediately update your website. After the publication is complete, a window will pop up confirming that your site is now live. This is an exciting moment because your hard work is ready for the world to see. In this window, Wix will display the website's URL. Here comes the last and most important part of the process: copying your website's URL. Simply highlight the link shown in the confirmation window and copy it, either by right-clicking and selecting copy or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Now you have your website link copied to your clipboard, which means you can paste it wherever you'd like. You can share it in an email, post it on social media platforms like Facebook or Twitter, or send it via message to your friends. If you're promoting your site through marketing materials, this URL is what you'll want to include. And there you have it, you've shared your Wix website link, making it accessible to anyone you'd like to reach. This process is not only quick, but also designed to ensure you're always sharing the most up-to-date version of your site. So feel free to experiment with different ways of sharing, and don't hesitate to revisit these steps anytime you need. Thanks for watching this tutorial and happy sharing.